Da da da. Da 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 da. We might have to make this go up a little bit so we can, Anyway. Just hanging out at home in the kitchen. Oh.
Hey, cooking.
Nicolette's over there doing her thing.
Like all women should.
Right. Women are only good for a handful of things, What are they?
Hand jobs, blow jobs, cooking, cleaning. Yeah, that's about it.
Hand jobs, blowjobs, cooking, cleaning. That's 4. Thought there was one more.
Sex? But they can get that from guys.
Raising children?
Childbirth.
Yeah.
Right, no one wants to do that.
No.
Save it for the women.
Or us. This is turning into like a very sexist video.
I am pregnant, by the way.
We are having a little snack.
Oh, and it's a good snack. I mean, I just love. I really do. I love.
So.
The trick is if you microwave it a little bit first.
This is gonna be a good night. I had butter all over my face. Oh, I just made it worse.
Look at that.
Look at this. It's pretty solid.
No, this is solid. Look at the right side compared to the left.
Oh, damn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's impressive.
Yeah.
Can
Want
you
to bite?
hand me a paper towel? Thanks.
I think the Mac's just about ready for the cheese.
If you want to meet a very special lady, first of all, my name's Brianna.
Nicolette!
And last, but certainly not least, want to say hi? Well, that's Emily. Oop.
She really likes us.
The 3 of us are best friends. Forever. That's why we all made our own decision. Oh, I'm getting a rash on my face. To live in this apartment together.
This is how you cook sometimes. When you want to cook food.
It's a great angle, Nicolette.
When you don't have a strainer, you go like this.
Shit, laundry. Fuck, I have to put it in the dryer.
Oh, you're right. That's the other thing girls do.